Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. The passage in question is about the alliance by the 5 airlines called One World. And the question given to us is, which of the following can be inferred from the passage? Have a look here at the concluding lines of the passage. Briefly, the alliances appear more like a survival kit in a more cutthroat competitive world. Having seen that, we can easily deduce option number 3. Airlines are coming together and forming alliances in order to survive severe competition in the business as the statement which can be inferred from the passage. Hence, it is our right choice. The answer to this question is option number 3. Hope this has helped you. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read each of the following short passage given below and answer the question that follows the passage. This is a passage about Hindustan Lever Limited, a subsidiary of the giant corporation Unilever. The given question to us is, which of these can be deduced from the passage? Have a look here at these lines. Following its merger with Quality, it has become the largest company in the ice cream industry. Have a look here at option number 3. HLL, that is Hindustan Lever Limited, has merged with Quality to emerge as India's largest ice cream company. We can say that it is directly inferred as the passage says, following its merger with Quality, it has become the largest company. The other 3 options are irrelevant. Our answer is option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. The question given is, which of the following, if true, would defeat the case presented above? The given passage is about the phenomenon called judicial activism. Have a look here at option number 2. Often the judiciary is seen to be making disparaging remarks about the executive, pulling up officials for lapses in conduct, many a time condemning them. If this were true, the case that the judiciary neither approves nor condemns any legislative policy or administrative action gets defeated. Hence, our option is 2. Answer to this question is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. The given passage is about the scheme Banking Ombudsman Scheme launched by Reserve Bank of India. The related question is, which of the following, if true, gives credence to the RBI action? Option number 3 states, some major lapses and violations across banks in the country have come to light, the redressal of which has been prolonged and expensive. If this statement were true, then only the RBI or the Reserve Bank of India would be forced to take such an action. Hence, option number 3 alone bolsters the statement. We have it as our correct answer. Answer to this question is option 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. Read the following short passage and answer the question that follows the passage. The passage given to us is about the popular music trends in US. The question given to us is, which of the following could be the most important reason for the rise of alternative music in the later part of the 90s? Have a look here at the opening part of the passage. In the US, where rock film music was a staple diet for generations, the 90s stood witness to the explosion of wide variety of other streams of music, that is, alternative music, and it gained acceptance in public consciousness. Here, option number 2, alternative music soon gathered acceptance from the public, states the same. Hence, it is our correct choice. Answer to this question is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.